Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a book stand out of a cardboard box. I'm starting off by cutting off the sides there. Now I'm going to cut off the tape, just like this. Now you have two flaps. You're going to bring those out and put them underneath. Now you're going to fold over where the tape is. With your pencil, you're going to go ahead and mark that angle. Go ahead and grab your scissors. We're going to cut off that top bit there. Now I've been looking for a book stand for quite a while now, but they're pretty expensive, even on Amazon. So a few months back I was looking for tutorials on how to make a book stand. All I could find was the tutorial with the wire hanger and various ones involving woodworking, but that wouldn't work on my budget, and the wire hanger was way too flimsy to hold my big textbooks. So I grabbed one of the boxes that one of my textbooks came in and decided to chop it up and see if I could figure out how to make one out of a cardboard box. So you can see it on the back there. Now here is the finished, when I finished cutting the box. You're going to take that back flap and fold it in and make sure you tape it really well. Now I'm going to show you how to make those triangle pieces at the end there in a few minutes, okay? I messed up when I was first doing this tutorial and I forgot to tuck in the flap, so that's what happens. So anyway, I'm taking my ruler and I'm just marking the width of it, and I'm just doing this 2 times on both sides, and I'm gonna fold where I had marked it with my pencil. Now it doesn't really matter at what angle you put these at. Really, it depends on how your book lays. If you find that the bottom of your pages are getting ripped, go ahead and lessen the angle of those little triangle ends, and that should fix the problem. Now this book stand has 2 levels so that you can read at 2 different angles, and I'll show you how to do that at the end. My original one doesn't have that because I honestly just used it how it was, and it still has 2 angles, but I like the book kept falling from the second angle to the first. So that was a little annoying, so I decided to fix that this time around. Here I'm just taping the bottom because my box wasn't laying flat, but my original one, the bottom wasn't taped, so that's up to you. There you can see where I had left the back flap. Remember to tuck that in. So here I'm taking my ruler and I'm just scoring, I'm marking the width of the ruler as well, just like I did with the bottom, and I'm folding it over. Now go ahead and do that repeatedly, and you're going to do that 5 times. Now this first part is going to be the same as the bottom. You're just making a little triangle and taping it together. Now make sure to tape it all the way across. And then once you've done that, you're going to create a little box just like this. Let me switch the angle here so you can see better. Now you want to tape it so that the triangle moves freely. You don't want that to be held in place. You'll see why in a little bit. And that's what you want. Perfect. And now your book stand is done. Let me show you what I mean by the first angle and then the second angle. So now you can read at this level or at this level. I hope you enjoy your new book stand. Thanks for watching, and happy reading!